Hello, guys. Am I audible? Just let me know if I'm audible. Okay, just let me know. Uh, Okay, perfect. Now people are joining. I think there will be some time taken for the notification to go. Okay. Yeah, I'll answer many questions. Hello, Yogesh. Hi, Maxwell. Hello, everyone. It will be on Udemy. In Udemy, we will be having smaller courses um, instead of a bigger courses because it is very difficult to include everything out there, right? Good evening, everyone. Perfect. Good evening. Yeah, I'll talk about the agenda. Don't worry. Any playlist related to LangChain with AI agents? Already, I've started creating it, right? So if you're following my LangGraph playlist, lot many questions I've been uploading over there. Lot many topics I've been uploading over there. How much DSA for data science? DSA is good for becoming a good developer, guys. I'll not say how much. The more you do DSA, the more better developer you become. Right. So today's agenda, yeah, we will talk about some of the queries that people have related to Agentic AI batch, because many people were specifically requesting for that. So I thought let's go ahead and go live and probably take up any questions. And yeah, if you have any questions, please do let me know. And if you have any questions, just put up in this chat. I will be able to see it. And other than that, please do make sure to hit like so that the video goes to many people as such, right? So your opinion. Okay, this is a good question. Your opinion on A2A or MCP. So don't worry about this A2A MCP right now. Still, things are evolving. It will take time. Better frameworks are coming up. Better integrations are probably coming up. Get to know how things are going ahead. And if you're probably following my YouTube channel, I think you should be able to get all the up-to-date information related to A2A. Okay. Um, yeah, yes. One more very important information before I go ahead and talk about it, because many people are asking about the Agentic AI batch. I think last 60, 70 seats are left. So if you are interested, please go ahead and check it out. So all the link will be given in the description of this particular video. So here is the entire Agentic AI batch, which is starting from May 10th, 2025, hardly in couple of days. Okay. And then along with this, you'll also be able to find out all the details, course details and all. Once you just go ahead and enroll over here, click on enroll, you should be able to get the information over here itself, right? So please go ahead and check it out. All the information are given over there itself. Okay. So that is the quick reminder. Now I'll be happy to take up the questions. Yeah. What are the prerequisites? Let me. Okay. So the prerequisites for this specific course will be that you really need to be a good Python developer. Without Python, I don't think so it will be possible. Please make sure to have a good Python knowledge. Unless and until you don't have a Python knowledge, I will not suggest take this particular course. Along with that, you really need to have knowledge about NLP, some knowledge about generative AI, machine learning, and all. Okay. Which agent frameworks to choose? Now there are different frameworks, and based on the requirement, you can go ahead with that. LangChain, LangGraph are one of the most popular framework. There are also other frameworks like Agno and all, which you can also specifically use. Okay. Um, will the session will be recorded? Yes, obviously our live sessions are actually recorded, and it will also be available in the dashboard. Okay. So any information that you specifically want, because basically what happens is that once we take the live session, then after 24 hours we try to upload the video. Within 24 hours we try to upload the video. That is very much necessary for us. Okay. And that much time usually takes, even by the Zoom to probably process the videos and all. So that much is required. सर कंप्यूटर विजन में कंप्यूटर विजन ट्रांसफॉर्म वाला पार्ट कब ऐड हो जाएगा? इट विल बी एडेड वेरी सून. वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट. Okay, my team is working and it will be uploaded. Okay, don't worry about it. So myself, Sora, I came across Agent OS. Are you even teaching that too? Not right now. If it is really important, then we can add that as we go ahead and keep on teaching the syllabus. Okay. So in MLOps course, did they teach you about writing own YAML and other files without giving templates? I'll buy MLOps. Yes, it is given. Go ahead and try it out. Okay. Hi Krish, I'm a student of first batch. Is there any extra things that you're teaching in this second batch? If so, is there any chance that extra thing you'll be teaching for the first batch? See, yes, new things have been added, Vamshi, in the second batch, but don't worry, we are also covering that in the first batch also. Okay, already doing that. We are doing that specific part. I think our mentors have already started teaching about MCP and all. Okay, perfect. I've answered that question. I am from CSC ML background. I know basics theory of AI ML DL and need to learn more depth. I can understand code but can't code. Planning to start from beginning with all your prerequisite Udemy's. Yes. If you have Udemy courses of mine, I think you should be able to start. Other than that, we are also coming up with data science batch, which you have come last month. You can also go ahead with this. What are the projects we'll do in the Agentic AI course? Different projects. Okay. The projects are so amazing. We will think out, we will be defining the problem statement, and trust me, the kind of projects that we develop, it is completely different, because in your batch also there will be people from different backgrounds, so it will be fun and it will be really amazing. Okay, automated workflows, you'll be seeing. Recently we developed a project which is like complete software development lifecycle. Okay, what is the price of your course? I think it is 6,000. If you are a student or a fresher, you can definitely go ahead and call our counseling team. They'll be able to help you out. Okay, some discounts. Really looking for production level deployment of agentic AI app using LangGraph. Yes, we were planning to use LangGraph Cloud, but I would suggest again, it is better to use AWS. So that is the reason we show all the deployments in AWS. Along with that, we'll also be using Hugging Face Spaces so that additional cost burden will not come onto you. Okay, and we will try to do that with the help of CI/CD pipelines. Okay, will Agentic AI course dashboard be available for long time like Udemy? Yes. What I am planning is that when we come up with the Udemy courses, and soon will be coming up, it'll be a lot of different parts. So first Udemy course on Agentic AI will be based on LangChain and LangGraph. Then there will be a second course which will be based on AutoGen. Then it will be based on Agno. Then there will be based on Crew AI. So different courses will be there. We cannot combine all these courses because it will become very huge. Okay, how much will you recommend for people using N18? See, N18 is again a no coding platform. I have not yet verified the cost with respect to things, but yes, it is a very good way of integrating various tools. But still, a production level application I have not yet developed, and I'm still working on that to develop it. Once I do that, I'll definitely be able to this. Okay. So 6,000 INR is $70, but it is $100 on the website. This is for the foreign payment, because the foreign payment we have payment gateway charges for 4.5%. So we cannot bear that cost. So it will be a little bit higher. Okay. Please, could you tell more use cases where we can use agentic AI so we can think and start implementing? There's so many different use cases. Think of automating any kind of workflows. Think of those where you don't have to put much human intervention and focusing on solving a specific workflows itself, right? And that is what is my aim in our course. We are going to automate those kind of workflows. They're also going to even add human workflow, right? So all those kind of stuffs we'll be doing. Okay, so please do hit like, guys. You're not hitting like on the video. Come on. 150 people are seeing it. You should be really proactive for this. Okay. Can you share some of the data scientist interview questions from junior to senior level? I think uh, if if you have implemented one good end-to-end project, I think there should not be any problem with respect to interview questions, because we derive interview question based on the project that you have worked and based on the task that you have done. Okay. Major issues: it is not possible to learn everything from basics of Python programming language to agentic, and every company nowadays wants a candidate who can do even on the entry level. See guys, you need to be a very good programmer. Okay, that is the first criteria. If you're a good programmer working in those things, it becomes very easy. The reason why I say everybody to have a strong base is that because tomorrow if you go for the interview, it should be very very easy for you to crack it off. Okay, that is the reason I say. So people create AI agents using SDK. That is easy. So why people buy our agents, which is made of OpenAI SDK? What do this mean? So people create AI agents using SDK. That is easy. So why people buy our agents, which is made on OpenAI SDK? Really, I don't understand this question. It is really complicated. Please try to reframe the question and try to write it in a better way. Will MLOps and LLOps engineers will still be relevant in a couple of years? Obviously, because you need to probably take the projects to the deployment, right? So that will be very much necessary. Next month, we are also coming up with an LLM Ops live course, okay, where we'll be teaching about amazing projects itself, all industry grade projects. Next batch for AI, ML, and GenAI. I would suggest please join our batch, which has started on March month. Okay, so it's a long batch. I would suggest that is the best batch to go ahead with. And still we are learning Python right now there, and later on as we go ahead, we'll be learning more amazing things. Sir, thank you so much for this live. Actually, I have an interview tomorrow. They're looking for AI ML, but AWS, but I haven't learned about anything about AWS to tell me major things now. AWS is all about, right? You try to see how deployment happens, what all things you can basically do with respect to the cloud, S3 buckets, what all kind of services that you can use, right? So that is really important altogether. But it's okay if you don't know, try to understand some of the things, try to show them at least what type of projects you have deployed. I think that will be more than sufficient. Then again, the other things depends on the kind of experience that you have. Okay. But do let me know how your interview was. Okay. Is people forgot about reinforcement learning? See, it is not like people have forgotten something. This is really a good thing about reinforcement learning, the scope of work. But the task that we specifically do in reinforcement learning requires good amount of efforts, good amount of research, and good amount of money, right, for specifically doing that. It's not an easy task. So definitely who are researchers, they will focus on this kind of work itself. For us who really want to solve business use cases, I think they will focus more on doing developments related to AI agents and all. So all agents are working based on OpenAI API keys. No, nothing as such. There's so many different API keys, different LLM models, right? Not OpenAI API keys only. They are Grok. There are different models now. Cloud-based APIs are also basically coming up. Okay. So how will the hackathon conduct in a live course? Because we definitely give a task wherein we say that, hey, this is a hackathon thing that you need to do. We give 2 weeks of time, sufficient amount of time, and then we tell them to provide a demo, right? That is how we go ahead with. Is your Udemy Langchain course on agentic AI or different? People who have joined our live batches will have Langchain, Langgraph, each and every topics, right? But in case of Udemy, since the course price is very less, we are segregating all these topics separately and putting that in the form of recorded videos. Okay. And if everything goes well, I will provide whoever is joining this 2.0 live agentic AI batch, we will try to provide some free courses related to Udemy also to them. Okay. The agentic AI batch that we are planning to come up with. But again, it depends how much coupon I have. Udemy do not provide much coupon itself. Scope for freshers in Gen AI roles, please. See, everywhere there is a scope. Okay. Focus on doing some amazing projects. That is the thing. If you're good at doing something, right, trust me, anybody will be able to hire you. In my team, I've not taken much interview of anyone, and they've developed some amazing products for us. With all the advancements happening in AI, if there is some new important or tech or tools, will you modify syllabus? Yes. Let's say if MCP, some more new framework is coming wherein we are able to do that specific thing, we will try to cover up if time permits. Okay. And we are doing that in the 1.0 batch. MCP had not come at that point of time. Now we are covering that part also. Okay. See, we say that 4 to 5 months, usually it goes to 5 to 6 months itself. So, what do you think about AGI? Don't worry, still it has not yet come anything. If it comes, I will probably make a video for that. Okay. So people can easily create AI agents using HDK. So why they choose to buy agents we build using OpenAI SDK? There are different agents, guys. Not only one. Agents are specifically used for some kind of task. Okay. So I'm really excited to join the Agentic AI course. Super excited over here, Neeraj. I will see you all in the Saturday's class and we will have an amazing induction session. Okay. And it'll be fun. For this live Agentic AI course, will there be any recording classes provided? Yes. Whenever the live session happens, after the entire live session is recorded, it will be uploaded and available in a dashboard within 24 hours. Okay. Why I choose data science over web development in today's competition? Please reply, sir. Because AI is the thing. Work in everything. Work in web development, anywhere you want to work. Try to include AI in your work. That's it. Okay. With the AI, with the help of AI, now everybody's using ChatGPT for code, or they're using Grok, they're using Cloudy, different kind of LLM models just for coding purpose, right? Why you're using that? Because instead of Google search, you directly get the answer, right? And that way you're able to quickly do your work, right? If you're a good developer, I think anybody will be using that. I know people have become so lazy, even to write a leave letter, you'll be using ChatGPT. Sir, your Udemy course is enough for GenAI or Agentic AI or still need of live course? See, live courses has many frameworks. It has all the things. This live courses, if I divide to 5 to 6 Udemy courses, then you have to probably buy 5 to 6 Udemy courses. So that is the reason I say that, hey, go ahead with this. What I will do from my side is that I'll also try to provide for my live batches all free Udemy courses also whenever it is possible. Okay. AI agent developer demand increase. AI agent developer demand increase. Yes, obviously it is increasing. Nowadays, companies are looking for that. Suggest some projects, sir. What kind of projects can? So can we please have a convo? I really want to talk. It will really help me for tomorrow's interview. And it's kind of hard to even get a chance for an interview these days. Please tell me, how should we prepare? See, talking will not let you go anywhere. My suggestion would be that please take this time to prepare well and try to do that. Okay, that is the most important thing. Okay. Any coupon code for the course? Please make sure to just go ahead, and if you're a student and a fresher, do not have jobs, then my team will help you with a coupon code. For people who are working, there is no coupon code. Okay, because there are a lot of efforts of taking this batch. You'll get to know. Okay. Gen AI projects unable to get ideas to do some. Then you have not learned Gen AI properly. Okay. As nowadays, every other tech educator is making AI agent tutorial. One I was where you used a Gemini API to summarize it. That's all. Is that a really AI agent? No. Agentic AI agents are completely different. When you will be seeing some use cases that I have developed, let me show you one. Okay. This I was just trying to show it to you. Okay. Let me show you. So this is one of the AI agent that we created. Actually, I upload a lot of videos, right, in my YouTube channel. And if you see in this blog page, okay, here you can see all YouTube videos. As soon as I upload a YouTube video, automatically my article plus code, everything is written. I don't have to probably do anything. See, everything is written over here. Isn't it good? Yeah. I did not do anything. Everything, this is done by AI agents itself. This is altogether an agentic AI application. From code to everything is given. See, if I go back over here, if I go ahead and see this, see, code is also given, everything is given. And here you can probably see each and everything over here. I have not done anything of this. I've just created an AI agent which is doing this specific work. Hmm? Perfect. With roadmap for Agentic AI in mind, do we need deep or hand on knowledge for ML and GenAI? A good amount of knowledge is really important for if you really want to get into Agentic AI. Good, some knowledge of generative AI, ML, all these things are needed. Okay. So please tell us top Gen AI projects which should I mention on my resume or CV. See, I'll not name as such, but my main thing is that if I'm an interviewer, I'll try to understand what amazing things you have done in that project. Okay. I have joined Agentic 2.0. Where will the class link come? If you probably go ahead and see the dashboard, right? So let me again share my screen. Automatically, it will be coming up. You will also be getting in the mail. So here you can see that all my batches link comes over here. Okay. So here you can see induction session 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So this is what the link is. And this will get activated once the session gets enabled. Okay. Perfect. Just go ahead and see over there. And your induction session, I'll also make sure to keep it live in YouTube so that everybody sees that. What is highest in demand? Data scientists versus AI engineers versus ML or versus data analyzer. Just be in the data field. Any kind of work that you get, go ahead. Don't worry about the roles. The most important things are there, right? Sir, can we pick a use case study and understand how a particular company has laid down Gen AI architecture? This will help. Yes, that we do that in the class itself. Okay. Mm, Sir, I'm developing an AI agent with RAG with PostgreSQL, but failing in correct SQL generation. What steps should I follow? See, it depends on how complicated your data is or your database is, right? If it is really, really complicated and generating that just by a system prompt will not be possible. You need to probably fine tune your model. Okay. Can you please include a project which has agentic AI plus Power Automate plus Python or ML into one? Yes, we will do that in the class. Yes. Jensen Huang says that IT will become the HR of AI agents. Is that true? If he has said it, it may be true, right? He has done so much good work, right? प्लीज सर बताइए, मैं बायो बैकग्राउंड से हूँ और 10th तक मैथ पढ़ा है और मैं बायोलॉजिकल फील्ड में एआई एमएल इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहूँ, कैसे पढ़े? हो जाएगा भाई. फर्स्ट आप पढ़ाई करो. Try to understand about different use cases. Try to see that what things you are able to do it, right? AI agent developer high paid job. High paid job you can get anywhere if you are good at something. Okay. If you're good at something, nobody will be hesitating you to give more money, right? And it can be of any background that you're coming from. Okay. Krish, can you please make a complete video for complete data science, like everything in one tree from machine learning to agentic AI and new stuff? Please only names or linear for each of node. Sure, I'll do that. I'll be coming up with that. How about RAG? It has come a very long way. Will this be covered from basic? Yes, we are going to go from traditional RAGs to agentic RAGs, right? And it'll be fun. It will definitely be fun. Soon I'll be making a one YouTube video, which I'm planning to do that. And it'll really be fun. You'll love it. RAGs are really important. From traditional RAGs to normal RAGs. So could you please let me know the price of agentic AI in Pakistani rupees? By you can convert it. Google kar lo yaar. Hmm? So I want to learn about GANs and its type. So which course I have to purchase? GANs and its type. So we are moving towards computer vision, more of computer vision, right? So fine tuning is completed on your generative AI Udemy courses. No, for fine tuning, we are coming up with a separate Udemy course. Okay. Is data science still worth it in the future, or I start to learn agentic AI? It is a part of data science, right? Agentic AI also, where is prompt engineering, everything. It's a part of data science itself. Okay. Agentic RAG is the future. It depends on use case again. What kind of use case are we looking at, right? It depends on that. Krishna, can it be released on Udemy? Yes, I'm releasing on Udemy, but it will be a part by part course. Okay. Krishna, sir, I'm an Agentic AI Explorer and open source contributor. I want to create a notebook or blogs for you. That would be my pleasure. Definitely, Yash Nilkom, you can share it. You can share it to the entire world. Okay. Post it in the LinkedIn. I'd be happy to reshare your post. I'd be happy to like that post, and I'll be happy to push your post to everyone. Okay. But I create my own materials. Thank you. But definitely, if your materials are good, I'll try to use it. And I'll also give credit for you. Okay. With 1.5 years of React experience, I'm getting interested in generative to leverage the full potential of AI. Should I stick to the application side or dive into whatever there is in AI? Start integrating with your work. That is what I would suggest. Okay. Greetings. I hope you're well. How your courses on something special which you don't have on your YouTube channel. Not only Agentic AI, but all the topics you have made on YouTube. That's more in depth. Udemy, there's one specific pattern where you can learn each and everything from data science to data analyst to data generative AI, everything from theory. It is a new recorded videos in my YouTube channel. You'll find older videos also, but here with new examples, new test cases, new use cases, new projects, new deployment techniques. Each and everything is new itself. Okay. बहुत टेंशन होता है लोग. If I upload in YouTube also, then also there is a problem. If I upload new content in Udemy, then they'll compare that, hey, you have provided everything in YouTube. Why should I go ahead with it? Hmm? How many end-to-end projects will be there in Agentic AI 2.0? There will be many. Okay, not one or two. There will be definitely many because in every module, every framework, so you have to develop some projects. Okay. I want to join this course. Can you please let me know how should I purchase it? I want to see the syllabus. Just go ahead and see the link now. In the link is the description. It is given, right, everyone? Just let me know if it is given or not. The enrollment link is given in the description. If you have any questions, you can just go ahead and contact our counseling team. Okay. They'll also help you out with respect to any queries. Ooh, can I learn agent using documentation of MCP? I don't think so. Documentation will actually give you that much idea, but yes, you can try it out. I know some people who likes to learn, read from documentation. Chris, so many things are there. There are no clear vision. What to learn, explore. If you keep on waiting for some time, hey, we are going to learn one day, then it will keep on piling up. Okay, and that point of time you'll get confused. So many things are coming. If you are in this field, right, guys, this field is something which demands every day of your time. Okay. Syllabus does not talk about MCP, but I assume it will be covered. It is covered already. So let me just show you. Everything is covered. MCP part is also covered. And as I said, right, new things will also be coming. So if you see the syllabus is very simple. Go to this page. Course detail syllabus is over here. And if you see the syllabus here, if you go ahead and see MCP, I'll just search for MCP model context protocol, module 19th. Everything is probably available over here. See, understanding modems, types of MCP servers, Anthropic building. Not only this, I will show you more good things, generic things that will be coming up. Okay. Great. Please say me about AI course for beginners. Please help me. Okay. So AI course for beginners again. Here you can probably go ahead and check it out. And I have also made sure to probably show you each and everything. So if you go to live classes, so this is my data science and GenAI master bootcamp. I will probably give this link in the comment section. And here, this is my entire data science and generative AI. We start everything from basics. We cover almost each and everything. You just need to probably go ahead and contact people and try to understand. Okay. and I think you should be able to learn each and everything. Okay, everything is there, guys. Or just call our counseling team; they'll be able to guide you with each and everything that is required. Generative AI course Udemy must for Agentic AI 2.0. It is good to have. Okay, because in Agentic AI course, we are directly going to start from LangChain building generative AI applications. Okay. Any coupon code for this course, Sagar? Just contact the counseling team. I have no clue much now what coupon code is going on. When will LLM of course launch on Udemy? Jay Rawat, I'm working on that. It will take time. Whoa, whoa. Sir, these days everyone into AI or trying to get, do you think this boom might end up like the 2000s engineering surge? See, here the best part about AI is that here you are able to do amazing things, right? You're able to automate things, you're able to reduce cost. When something is happening over here, is it obviously good or not? Tell me. It is obviously good, right? Is it mandatory to learn agent to learn MCP? MCP is not that big thing, guys. There is just a minor difference. There is a protocol that is basically being used to communicate with tools, right? You'll understand it once I start teaching. Okay. And MCP complete bootcamp also we are coming up in Udemy courses. So everything is being planned. Don't worry. Okay. Is MCP concept so evolved that we can start doing projects based on that? Do we have? Yes, it is very easy to integrate, and you can integrate it wherever you want. You can easily deploy it wherever you want. Okay. Hello, Navjot sir. So Navjot Singh sir is was my manager in Sapient. Hey Krish, if we join the course and want knowledge to some sections like MCP sooner, are there blogs that we can provide by a team to pick up this? Sir, we are covering MCP in our course. Don't worry. Okay. We are completely covering from basic to advanced. But happy to see you, sir. Here. Thank you. Um, Krish, I want to work in the space industry. Is it my dream? And can you tell which is the way I'm an data engineering guy. I heard a lot about DS as well. See, if you're working on space industry, that basically means you are targeting something that is related to hardware, robotics, and all right. Yes, you can do that. Aeronautical side, what all things are there, people what they're working on. You can definitely go ahead and try it out. Oh, so many questions are there. Wait, I'll take one by one. It's going so fast. Sir, I'm a data analyst intern now and need to switch and go into data science and internships. What are the steps I need to start learning them, start developing projects, and whenever you get an opportunity, go ahead with it. No. Hey Krish, I'm going to pursue MS in stats, but font have and technical skills till now as of bachelor's. What should I learn for programming or core mathematics? It should be the combination of both, I would suggest. You really need to be a good programmer to build the application side. Okay. Sir, can we expect the real agentic rag in action in particular course? Yes, obviously, we are going to develop this real agentic rag. Okay. You'll be seeing multiple use cases that will be doing it. Okay. That'll be the most funny part out there. So many different questions are there. So please do hit like, guys. Let me know whether you are able to see each and everything or not. Okay. Oh, I'm a backend developer with a high level understanding of ML and DL. Can I learn the required topics as needed during the Agentic AI course, or is it mandatory to complete all the prerequisite? Um, just a second. Yeah. See, you can learn it parallelly. Nothing will block you. But again, during the interviews, people like to ask all the specific questions that are related to basic things. Hi, Krish. Given the known challenge with the HTTP and TTS lag and strict limit cost of current APIs, how feasibility is also to build an enterprise level voice agents? Now, there are various companies like Eleven Labs and all. Okay. There are also something that is provided by Google, right, which is quite cheap because we are also developing a product that is related to voice. And from that, just a minor cost is basically involved to probably do that. So I liked it, and I think you should also keep on exploring it instead of using your own. That becomes a really good challenge. Okay, but yeah, as we go ahead, I think the cost will keep on reducing because more efficient models will be coming up, right? Sir, I am third tier course student. My branch is AIML second year. What am I do for AIML? You are in AIML only. Second year, what am I do? I'm a tier 3, so my branch is AM. Second year, what am I do for AIML? Okay. Start learning things, guys. Start implementing, building things, machine learning, data science, deep learning, build products. That is the most important thing. Yeah. I am a DevSecOps engineer with 10 years of experience. Do you think I should learn agentic AI and how it will be helping my career? Now, at least try to understand what is really important with respect to DevSecOps. What kind of agents you can basically create with respect to agentic AI? Are you able to automate something? That is really important. Okay. If you're able to understand one something and how you're going to apply in your domain, then that is where you'll be clear. You'll be having a clear idea that how you should proceed. Okay. Thank you for the super chat, Bhavya Mandali. Already signed up for the hopefully your course will help me build the world's first COBOL agentic AI system. COBOL agentic AI. Please definitely do share the use case. We will focus on learning in such a way that at the end of the course you should be able to do this. Okay. Uh, Krish, I'm currently pursuing BSc data science. Then worth will the boom continue till 2030? Yes, obviously. There's so many things that are going to happen in the field of AI. And just in couple of years, you are seeing, right? So many things are there, right? Krish, I want to be good enough to work around images, computer vision. So can you guide me out roughly with LLM and agentic AI how things will affect? I've worked on ML to CNN modeling team now. I want to be good enough to work around images, computer vision. So can you guide me roughly with LLM and so if you know all these things, I think you can start learning about agentic AI and generative AI. I think you have good sufficient amount of knowledge with respect to this playmaker. Okay. Hi Krish, I just got an internship as an AI intern for my established startup. I'm in my third year. I'm just concerned if I can land a job after I graduate, since it's AI agent and not DS. Fresh role, usually DS. Yes, you can land a job, guys. If you have got an internship, try to make that job permanent. Over there itself. That would be helpful. Okay, try to devote much amount of time itself over there. I think that will be super amazing. I would suggest DSA, keep it, because you don't know in any other companies if you're going they may ask you DSA. And DSA is just like one filtering criteria. Okay, they want to use some filtering criteria out of so many people who are good at coding, they'll be taking this. Okay, so I'm new to NI. Can I start with a prerequisite? Don't go ahead with the course because there's so many things you need to learn. So my English communication, but is understand very well. Is it needed for cracking interviews? I've seen people, but my suggestion would be that please go ahead and probably become a good speaker. That way you'll be able to represent yourself in an interview much more better, right? So if I buy two courses, then first course is free. Which two courses yes they're talking about? Well, go just talk to our counseling team. They'll be able to help you out with the best thing. Yeah. So should I start Python and start with data science library or master Python with DSA? Coding is something which will never stop. DSA, there are so many different things. Keep a habit of practicing DSA stuffs every day. Don't just learn for 3-4 months and forget it up. Can you provide me some discounts for agentic AI course? Please call the counseling team. The number is given in the description of this particular video. Yeah. So yes, guys, this was all about in this particular video. I thought of coming and talking about some of the questions that many people have. And definitely, I will be seeing you all on the 10th. We'll be having this induction session, and it'll be a lovely induction session. We'll try to understand how we are going to probably learn agentic AI, what all things we are basically going to do, each and everything as we go ahead. Okay. So thank you for believing in us. Thank you for supporting us. This was it from my side. Please do hit like, at least make 100 likes. That would be amazing for me. And yes, I will be sharing you all the other information related to this particular course, Agentic AI 2.0. Everything is given in the description. You can also go ahead and call our counseling team. They'll be able to help you out. Okay. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care. Keep on rocking. Keep on learning. I will see you all in the next session. Bye bye, guys. Thank you.